the process? You're talking nonsense, so I'ma do this. Remix for you cheapskates, this is how I get my free kicks. This cracker's gonna peel his money cause that yo, what's the process? You're talking nonsense, so I'ma do this. Remix for you cheapskates, this is how I get my free kicks. This cracker's gonna peel his money cause that cheese sticks. This ain't no average MC, I'm 10 steps ahead of a rapper that tests me. My chose beat, cold as Gretzky, wetter than a jet ski, flyer than the Jets B, iller than the Jets D. Word to Revis, I'm shutting down receivers, taking all these critics, turn them into believers. I'ma kill it. Go and meet the Reaper, go and kick the beat, got my sneakers on the speaker. One hand for my cup, one hand to hold my damn pants up. I'm bout it, real rappers talk shit, you hoes shout it. I'm not the man round here, I doubt it. Real is in the building, boy, get out. You invite me to your city and I turn that shit out. They be hanging on every syllable that I spit out. I'm the delivery man and I'm taking it to the hit house, bitch. The way I kill it is ridiculous, and I'ma do this shit till I'm ridiculously rich. Get it? I'm on another level than you. Move the crowd and it's on to the next venue. The next menu, my team gon' eat.